Hey guys, I'm Swapna. Welcome to INS TechSoft. Welcome to the next lecture. Today we will talk about gateway. In few minutes we will talk about what is gateway in networking and definition part of gateway and how to check the gateway in Windows and how we do access the internet, and let me see one by one. So what is gateway in networking? Simply we can say gateway is nothing but the entry and exit of the network is known as the gateway. Definition part of gateway. A gateway is a network node. Here node is nothing but add point or like a media. It is used to help in telecommunication that connects two network with a different transmission protocols together. Here node helped in it's a connection, it connects to the two different another networks or another protocols together. So basically gateway is a piece of hardware or that is the part of the router. We all know on our computer or laptop different interfaces available like Wi-Fi interface, Ethernet interface, etc. And each interface gets assigned on IP address when we connect to the network, right? Since the gateway is an interface, it also has the IP addresses. So generally we call the IP addresses interface on the gateway. See here in networking gateway is basically an interface that allows one network to communicate with another network. Yes, we know where the interface is nothing but the communication like media between two things. For example, the touchpad is the interface between you and mobile, or a keypad is the interface between you and laptop. In the same way, the gateway is the interface between two networks. So this is. And next, how to check gateway in Windows. You can press Windows plus R of your laptop or your computer and type CMD and click OK. And next, now please execute the command ifconfig and check default gateway which is known in below and type the command. So fourth one is how we do access the internet. So the first thing we should understand, gateway is one of the backbones of the internet. The gateway helps us to communicate between two networks, and the internet is nothing but the interconnection of different individual networks. So whenever we make a request for any resource, then request goes from your computer or laptop to gateway, and then your gateway is to the respective server, and we receive a response from the respective server Viva.